It's the Killer Klowns. Yeah, baby. How cool is that, man? Ta-da! Oh, you're fine. Look at that. I'm gonna join the party here. I'm gonna be bozo on the back end. It's the Killer Klowns, man. Look at all that hair. It looks like cotton candy. This is so cool. That's the whole group. He's frozen in time right there. He's like, oh.
All right. They want you down there.
How cool, man. These guys rock.
Are you excited? All right.
No, you guys do your thing, man. I'm just filming. Anybody's in there, loud in there.
Celebrities are down that way. Make sure you make your way down. We'll come back. You don't want the bed? The cotton candy is amazing. That looks really good. One, two, three. One, two, three. All right.
Even the security's getting to be part of all this. She's like, that's right. How cool.
Thank you.
Look at her.
Good job, Bob.
Just looking at me. Woohoo! Killer Klowns, baby. And you can purchase their merchandise right here, folks. Make sure you come stop by. You guys are amazing, man. I love it. I'm dying, man. I love this one. There you go. Pa-pow, pa-pow. You want to fight? Oh, put up your dukes. Put up those dukes. Put up those dukes.